Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the site can't provide a secure connection. Try running Windows Network Diagnostics in your Google Chrome error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to run Google Chrome. Simply click on it to bring it up and then expand it once it is being opened. Here you need to go for the upper right side of your screen. It has these three dots. Click on it to customize and control Google Chrome. And the moment you click on that, look for settings which has a gear icon. Now I can see there next to help. Click on it. Just double tap again to open. And once you are being redirected here at the settings, go for the left side of it. It has a list of options. Now you need to look for privacy and security, which I can see here next to autofill and passwords. Click on it. And this time in the safety check and privacy and security options, which is under the privacy and security tab, you need to look for security which I can see here under the privacy and security tab next to add privacy. Click this forward arrow to continue. Here's the catch. You need to enable the no protection under the safe browsing. Just have to click this and turn it off to confirm. Okay. So once done, scroll down and go with select the DNS provider, click this down arrow and change it into Open DNS. Okay. So once done, just simply close this window and you're good to go. Okay. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.